Bro, you suck. Ah! Teabag him, teabag him. You suck. Enough of that language. There will be no teabagging in my house. Sorry.
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
Get shit on! Get shit on!